Alright, drone adventurers. Today's quickie drone tip is to have a look how to measure distances on Google Maps, both on your computer and also on your phone, to set it to meters so that you can work out how close you are to built-up areas, or to other people. As we know, the drone code says that we're going to be 150 meters from built-up areas. We've got to be 50 metres away from any buildings and things like that, so it's always useful before you go flying to have a look where these things are to make sure that you're legal when you fly. I shall show you do that on the computer and your phone, so let's jump in. Let's go on to Google Maps, which is google.co.uk/maps, and now search for Upton Water Tower, somewhere that I want to have a drone adventure at in future. I'll click on this little square here, which gives me a satellite view rather than a map view, and I can turn to 2D or 3D mode and zoom in and look around here. What I'm doing now is right clicking and then selecting measure distance. I then click on where I want to measure the distance from, and then click again to where I want to measure the distance to. As you can see, I can move this line around so I can move around what I'm measuring. In this case, what I want to do is measure where I'm planning to set off from to make sure it's less than 500 meters. I'll just zoom in down here and you can see it's less than 500 meters, which is good. To clear that measurement, all I do is right click again and click on clear measurements, and it'll get rid of that line. Now let's have a look at the app and how you can do exactly the same thing on the app. I'm assuming that you've already downloaded Google Maps and you know what Google Maps is. I'll just search for Upton Water Tower, and if you click on the button to the right you can go onto satellite mode or normal map mode, just as you can on the app. By default in the UK it shows yards on here, so what we'll do is change it to meters by changing it to kilometres. What we'll do here is click on the properties icon and then settings, and then we're going to units of measurements and change it to kilometres. To measure a distance, you hold your finger down on the place you want to measure the distance from until it says dropped pin, then you click on where it says drop pin, and then you can see something there where it says measure distance, so you click on there like that, and from there you can move around, and as you can see you can measure the distance. So you can measure that point and you can see all the different points where we're measuring the distance to, and here I want to see whether it's where I can fly to at 50 meters, and then I can look further on at 150 meters if I think it's a built-up area. I'd be interested in what you think. Is this a built-up area or is this not a built-up area? What are your thoughts? Please comment below, let me know whether you think it's a built-up area or not. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. Please have a look on my website, droneadventure.co.uk. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.